Hi everyone, it's Kathy here, and today I am doing a haul review for you. Scrapbook Fantasies Creative Family have just landed with a new pack of papers, and it's called Nature's Way. Of course, I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. It is just amazing, and mine arrived today. So I'm so excited to go through this with you. As you can see, it comes in a nice pack with the whole lot together. Plus, you get your cutaway sheet at the top there with extra cutouts on the back. So that's what it looks like when you receive it in your package, and it's all beautifully wrapped in papers for you. Now, I also ordered the Vellum in this one. I love this paper. Can see lots of opportunities for that. So let's work our way through this paper stack. So this is Nature's Way number 6, and look at the greenery on that. That is just fantastic. Alicia has created such an amazing range this time round. These are the fussy cut elements which are on the back of page number 6, and as you can see, they are all beautiful little magical forests, beautiful frames, lots of creatures, lots of things to add to your layouts. So that's side B and side A. Next we have, that is of course, like I said, Nature's Way number 6. This is Nature's Way number 5, and I just love this surface. Look at it. It looks like a stone surface. I just love it. And then you have the chicken wire, of course, and then some more fussy cut elements on the B side. So this flower is just gorgeous. I just love the work and the detail that Alicia has put into this range. So I have this stonework you're going to see up here lots of times, I'm sure. I just love that design. Then we have Nature's Way number 4, which looks like pebbles, and I just love it. And I have the perfect photos that I'm going to put onto there. You wait, coming very soon in the future. These cutouts here, perfect for junk journals, really. They remind me of junk journal cutouts, but they're also heritage type, so they would go nicely with the very vintage range as well. So this is the diversity of Scrapbook Fantasies cardstock and papers. They just mix and match beautifully. I love this dot. Anything with a dot pattern is beautiful. And look at this beautiful floral on the other side. Once again, it is a vintagey feel, but it's just gorgeous. A whole range in greens is pretty unusual, but great quality, as you can see. Now, the best thing about Alicia's range, they're all Australian printed and made. The quality is fantastic. Look at this. Isn't this Hessian in the green beautiful? And then on this side, look at that. Another beautiful stone mixed media type background. I like it. But this Hessian is just beautiful. I love that she has so many different coloured Hessians in her ranges, and this green is divine. I just want to, I know that that's just going to be a big feature in the future. This one here is Nature's Way number 2, and on the A side, it's like a gold glittery fleck, and look at that foliage on the background. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning this is. You really need to see it in life. It's just gorgeous. And the print is such good quality. As I said, it is the lines perfect definition. I love it. So these are our beautiful ranges that we have with Alicia, and she has created such a perfect balance for us to work with. I'm so excited. So I have got A's and B's for all of these for you to look at. So that was number 1 with the gold fleck and the leaves, number 2 with the green Hessian and the stone there. Number 3 we have with this floral print here, which is number 3, as you can see there, the floral print with the dots. I just think it mixes and matches beautifully right across the whole spectrum of this collection. Then I have the next one, which is this white page. Isn't that beautiful? So you have the green pebbles, and you have that like coffee stain, tea stained paper. So that's number 4. I love it. I can't wait to work with it, as I said. Then we have this A and B side, which is, and I'm sorry it's taking a while to sort them because I have them all pushed over to the side. Just sorting the A's and B's so that you've got both sides. There you go. Here it is here. I've got A and B for this one. There's all those cutouts there with Nature's Way number 5. That stone, love it, love it, love it. You can see that already. Stay tuned. You know there's a video with a layout coming. And here we have the last one, which is Nature's Way number 6. And look at those beautiful cutables apart there on the side, and that goldy Hessian. So you can see all the colours mix, match, blend beautifully, complement each other, and it will just create such stunning layouts in the future. So well worth the purchase. Go and check them out at Scrapbook Fantasies. I'll have all the details down below. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, everybody, and look forward to my video where I am using these products.